Here are my solutions to these two problems. Question 11 is to find area of a parallelogram formed by the vectors A and B. So we are given the vectors. So area of a parallelogram is basically A cross B, right? Magnitude of A cross B. That is what A cross B by definition is. So basically it's a question to do A cross B. So how do we do A cross B? A is 1, 0, 2 and B is 0, minus 1, 2. So let's write them down. So in a way, what we will do is that we will write these vectors in a particular order so that it is easier for us to find cross product. So we'll start with the center number and write it first. So it's 0, 2, 1 and end with 0. Then we'll take the other vector, start with the center number, which is minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. And now we'll do cross, right? Like this. Do you see that? Then we get all our components. So the components are for us 0 times 2 is 2. So it is 2 minus. Minus 1 times 2 is minus. This is 0. And minus becomes plus 2, right? So that is the first component. The next one is 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 2. So we'll write minus 2 here. And the third one is minus 1. And minus 0. So I'm just writing minus 1. So these are our components, which are basically 2 minus 2 and minus 1. The magnitude will be a square plus b square plus c square square root, right? So it is 2 square is 4. Let me write this 4 plus 4 plus 1 square root, right? So we are doing shortcut here. So it is 8 plus 1, 9. Square root of 9 is 3, right? So we get our choice. A as the choice. Do you see that? So that is how you have to get the answer. Question 12 is, a 50 Newton force is applied at the end of a wrench that is 20 centimeter long. The thing here is 20 centimeter long. So it should be converted to meters, and that is why you'll find the answers in this fashion, right? So we have R, which is actually 0.20 meters. So that is critical here, and we are given a force which is 50 newtons. What is the magnitude of the torque? So torque is the cross product of R and F, right? R and F, which is basically magnitude of R times magnitude of force times sine of angle between them, which is 50 degrees in this particular case. Is it okay? So use your calculator and do the calculation. So R, as it says, 0.2 times 50 times sine of 50. Sine of 50. You get your answer as 5 square root 2, which is close to 7.07. So probably this is the answer. There's a typing here. So 7.07, right? So this is what I get. So that is the closest. So we just take that as our answer, okay? So that is how it is. So I just made a correction here. I wrote it as 7.07, okay? So that is the answer for this particular question. Thank you.